In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Now just tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!